Hi traders, welcome to weekly analysis by Trade with Asim and Sajjad. Another exciting week ahead. For the last few weeks we are seeing that fundamentals are driving the market. In the coming week too, we are expecting very important news events which can change the trend of the market. So let's see what are the most important news events this week. On Monday and Tuesday we don't see high impact news. Only ECB President Draghi's speech can bring some volatility for Europeans. Otherwise I'm expecting a correction of the market in these 2 days. Wednesday is a big day, especially for the US dollar. We are expecting interest rate decision, then FOMC statement, economic projection, and then press conference. A very big event. I'm expecting 100 to 200 pips movement on that particular time. Make sure you safeguard your open trades at these times. On the same day, for New Zealand dollar, we have Reserve Bank of New Zealand interest rate decision. Though they are not going for the rate change, we can still expect a 50 to 70 pips movement at that time. Thursday again a very busy. We have important news events for almost all major pairs, especially for the US dollar, Euro, GBP, and Canadian dollar. For USD, we have GDP news event and core durable goods. For Euro, we have ECB President Draghi's speech, then following with Bank of England Governor Carney's speech. Then later we have a Fed Chair Powell's speech. Then after that, for Canadian dollar, we have Bank of Canada Governor Powell's speech. So very important news events. Then on Friday too, we are expecting some important news events, especially for Euro and GBP. For Euro, we have German unemployment change. For GBP, we have a GDP, and after that, for Euro CPI. For Canadian dollar too, we have GDP. So only Monday and Tuesday are a bit slower. Other than that, we are going to experience a very volatile week ahead. So good luck, guys. Let's move to dollar index. Since mid of August, dollar index has been bearish. It has tried many times to break this trend line, but it couldn't succeed. Right now it's still below this trend line, but this week stronger US data is going to change the trend for dollar index. On Monday and Tuesday we can expect consolidation for dollar index, but then on Wednesday after a rate hike I'm expecting 95.04 initially, and it can even reach to 95.74 and above. We move to euro dollar. For the last few weeks euro dollar has performed well. It reached to 1.1800 key level, but from there it dropped. Mainly Brexit headlines are playing the role for euro dollar. For the next few days I'm expecting it may go for a correction, but then on Wednesday it's supposed to drop to 1.1527 and below, while on Thursday and Friday it can bounce back strongly. Then in the coming week I'm expecting it will try to retest the previous high. Let's see how pound dollar is doing. Pound dollar too is driven by Brexit headlines. For the last few weeks we are seeing a bigger movement. Mostly it rallied, but on Friday after the Brexit headline it dropped a lot. At the moment it's on a key support level. I'm expecting it will go for correction for the next 2 days, and then on Wednesday I'm expecting a bigger drop. It can drop to 1.2952 and below. Then on Thursday and Friday I'm expecting a bounce back again, and in the coming week it can again reach to 1.33 level. We move to dollar yen. Dollar yen is in a very strong position after making flag every time it goes for bigger rallies. At the moment too, it's good to buy. From Monday to Wednesday it may go for consolidation. Then after US interest rate, I'm expecting it will rally to 113.78 and much above. If dollar yen closes above 114 level, then it's supposed to go for much bigger targets in the coming days. We move to dollar CAD from here. Dollar CAD has dropped to a support level. It may rally to 1.2977 again, and from there I'm expecting a drop to 1.2746, while on Wednesday I'm expecting it may rally to 1.3109 and above. Let's move to USD CHF. USD CHF is also under pressure since mid of August. Right now it's a very lucrative trade. I'm expecting it may drop to 0.9551 and from here I'm expecting on Wednesday it can ready to 0.9702 initially, and it can even go higher. The next level is 0.9769 and above. If USD CHF can break this resistance level, then it's heading to 0.98 and much above. We move to Aussie USD. Aussie USD has bounced back from 0.7093. It looks stronger. It didn't drop like Euro and Pound. Aussie USD is still above 100 moving average. I'm expecting it can rally to 0.7353 in the next 2 days. From there it can again go for correction, may retest 0.7311. Then on Wednesday, after interest rate decision, it can drop to 0.7141 initially, and it can even further drop to the previous low of 0.7079. While in the next week we can expect a bigger bounce back. Let's move to New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD has performed well in the last few days and it looks much stronger at the moment. It may go to 0.6716. From there I'm expecting it may go for a correction and then again can retest 0.6716. After US interest rate decision, I'm expecting bigger drop in New Zealand USD. It can even drop to 0.6505, and from here I'm expecting a long-term buy trade. I will be targeting 0.6827. We move to gold. From here, gold has been moving sideways for the last few weeks. We haven't seen a break of support or resistance levels. It's just moving in this sideways channel, but in this week we are expecting it may break 1184 level and it may drop to 1173 and much below. For the next 2 days it may continue its sideways movement, and then on Wednesday we are expecting bigger drop. While from Thursday and Friday and the next coming weeks, gold is all set to go for a bigger target. I'm looking at 1230 and much above level. So let's see how Nasdaq 100 is doing. Since Friday evening, Nasdaq 100 started dropping down. At the moment it's on 7490. It may go for a correction in the next 2 days and then we can expect another drop. It can either drop to 7402 or it can bounce back and may try to retest 7700 level. So guys, that's all about our weekly analysis. I wish you best of luck for all your trades. Take care of yourself. I will see you with a new video. Until then, take care and bye.